Hello everyone, welcome to Random Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the scariest scenes in Stephen King movies that chilled us to the bone. After chilling horror lovers with written works, author Stephen King has also given lovers of the genre cause for many a sleepless night thanks to the movie adaptations of his novels. So here are a few of those terrifying moments that audience will remember. The Shining. Stanley Kubrick's 1980 adaptation of King's work is one of the greatest horror movies ever made, despite the fact that the author famously hated the changes the director made. It charts the tale of Jack Torrance and his family as they take up residence in an empty hotel for the winter. The movie's setting is cold enough, but it's Jack's descent into madness that is truly chilling. After checking up on her husband, Wendy discovers the manuscript that he had been working on isn't quite the work of fiction that she expected. "All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy" are the words that are repeatedly typed throughout each page. And the trembling Wendy, like the audience, discovers that Jack had literally and metaphorically lost the plot. Pet Sematary. Pet Sematary is one of King's darker novels, and it has given rise to two movies that feature scenes that are destined to trouble parents everywhere. The 2019 movie was disturbing enough, but for true horror, check out the 1989 original, one of the few movies where Stephen King had a hand with the script. After discovering the resurrecting power of the local pet cemetery after a less than welcome reappearance of the family cat, Lewis decides to bury Gage, his 2-year-old son, in the unhallowed ground after his untimely demise beneath the wheel of a truck. The horror first comes when Gage returns with nothing but murder on his mind. But the movie's most chilling moment is when Lewis, after learning that something that is better, realizes that he has to kill his own son. Jesus. It Chapter 1. As one of the few Stephen King adaptations that stuck close to the source material, the movie had to be split into two parts. The author's work is one of his longest, but it's also one of his best, with its story of a group of young teenagers facing up the ancient monster that has descended upon their small town. There are many terrifying moments in the movie, but one of the biggest chills come from our first introduction to the monster, in the guise of Pennywise the Clown. "They float, Georgie, and when you are down here with me, you will float too," rasps Pennywise from the darkness as he lures the young boy to the drain, rips him arm off, and drags him into his dark and dingy lair. The Mist. Based on one of Stephen King's short stories, this adaptation provides one of the best horror movie cliffhanger moments of all time. The setup is frightening enough. A small town is beset with monsters that lie in wait within a terrifying mist, but it's the final tragic reveal that offers the movie's most chilling moment. In the Pantheon scene, David Drayton shoots his own family dead to save them from a worse fate at tentacled arms of the monsters. If only he had waited a moment longer. The true horror comes when we hear David's screams of pure anguish when he realizes that the army was just around the corner and about to save the day. The Shining. In another terrifying scene within the seminal of 1980 movie, young Danny is enjoying the freedom of the hotel, riding his bike through the long and empty corridors. His enjoyment ends when he encounters two of the hotel's many ghosts. Come play with us, Danny, call the twin girls to the terrified young boy, as he is simultaneously faced with the bloody scenes of a girl's murder. He covers his eyes to hide the horror, but unbeknownst to him, the worst is yet to come. So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.